Welcome, dear learners, in this English online class. Here we will study a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is The Wisdom in Carrots. Wisdom means Buddhimatta. Carrots means one type of vegetables. So, dear students, I hope that you are thinking that why this chapter name is like that. Yes or no? Another question, that what is the relation between wisdom and carrots? So those things, how do we come to know? When we will go through the chapter. So for that, please listen this video very carefully, and wherever you feel or face any problem or difficulty word, please mark it with pencil, okay, and note down in your copy. So, dear students, before going to read this story or this chapter, I would like to say that this chapter is about Nasiruddin Hoja, who was very intelligent and फिलोजफर टाइप ऑफ पर्सन. ये जो चैप्टर है ये नासिरुद्दीन हुजा को लेके हैं, जो क्या थे, बहुत ही ज्ञानी व्यक्ति थे और दार्शनिक भी थे. सो ही वाज बिलोंग्स टू किंग किंग कृष्ण देव राया, means including king in his court, means many ministers were there, so they all were become like नासिरुद्दीन होजा. वो सभी लोग नासिरुद्दीन होजा के जैसा बनना चाहते थे. सो इसलिए नासिरुद्दीन होजा मीन्स दैट किंग सेंट नासिरुद्दीन होजा टू इंडिया दैट फाइंड द व्हाट इज ट्रू विस्डम. ओके, राजा ने नासिरुद्दीन होजा को इंडिया में भेजे थे टू फाइंड मीन्स सर्च करने के लिए कि ये ट्रू विस्डम क्या है ना. विस्डम मीन्स ये ज्ञान क्या है ना. सो इन इंडिया आफ्टर ही वेंट, Nasiruddin Hoja went to India, and after few months he came back from India. And what are the things he learned from India, and how he explained to Raja, to king, that what is true wisdom, those things we will read here. Okay, so now you start reading. Now you let's understand about the warm up. What is saying here? Now, what is the answer to these questions? Here is one questions for you that you have to say the answer. See, a man has to get a fox, a chicken, and a sack of corn across a river. एक मैन को 3 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, मीन्स उस पार करने के लिए 3 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, जो फॉक्स है, चिकन है और सेक ऑफ कॉर्न है. अब हिज बोट कैन ओनली कैरी हिमसेल्फ एंड वन अदर थिंग्स एट ए टाइम. अब ये मैन की जो बोट है वो एक टाइम में मैन को लेके, इंक्लूडिंग मैन को लेके, सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ को कैरी कर सकते हैं. ओके, इफ़ द फॉक्स एंड द चिकन आर लेफ्ट टुगेदर, द फॉक्स विल ईट द चिकन. दैट मैन वाज थिंकिंग दैट अगर मैंने फॉक्स और चिकन को यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया तो फॉक्स क्या करेंगे, चिकन को खा सकते हैं. ओके, अनदर इज इफ द चिकन एंड द कॉर्न आर लेफ्ट टुगेदर, द चिकन विल ईट द कॉर्न. अगेन थिंकिंग दैट इफ ही लेफ्ट दैट चिकन और कॉर्न की जो बैग है उनको अगर यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया तो चिकन क्या करेंगे, सारे कॉर्न को खा सकते हैं. सो व्हाट विल द मैन डू. अब मैन क्या करेंगे, उनके साथ किन किन को लेके जाएंगे उस पार तक. यू थिंक एंड यू गिव योर आंसर to the comment box. Okay dear, now start reading. See, after spending a few months in India, Nasiruddin Hoja returned to Turkey. As I said that Nasiruddin Hoja went to India, तो कुछ महीनों बिताने के बाद he came back to Turkey. He rested at home for a while and then set out to visit the king and tell him about his journey. So कुछ देर रेस्ट करने के बाद he decided to go to king's court, and there he will explain that about his journey. As he was leaving the house, Huja's mother asked him to buy some carrots on the way home. When he was ready to leave the home, that time his mother asked him that, Beta, when you will come back at home, that time please buy some carrots. Since he was quite forgetful, she gave him a piece of paper with the word carrots on it. As she knows that Huja's mother knows that he is a forgetful person, means वो कभी कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. Okay, so that's why she done now, she has written the carrots word in a piece of paper and gave to Huja. When Huja arrived at the king's court, he was greeted with garlands and loud cheers. When Huja reached the court of kings, okay, that time that people they were greeted Huja with garlands and loud cheers. Okay, जैसे when our guest is coming, okay, some guest in our school at our home, that time also we welcome them. So Huja also welcomed by someone. Okay, so Huja, what did you learn in India? Did you find true wisdom? Asked the king. That asked king, and there was a king. Okay, so he asked Huja that, Huja, what did you learn in India? Okay, did you find the true wisdom? Then Huja explained. Was stunned means very surprised. How was he to explain to the king that true wisdom could not be found? Here is saying that Huja was thinking that how I will explain to the king that true wisdom cannot be found. ये हम ढूंढ नहीं सकेंगे. बुद्धिमत्ता जो पंडित तो रहते हैं ना आप खुद के प्रति, वो हम ढूंढ नहीं सकते हैं. So it had to be learned. ये सीखना पड़ता है. He cleared his throat. इस करके गले को थोड़ा क्लियर किया. Then I have not found true wisdom, your majesty. Then Huja said to the king that, your majesty, I have not found true wisdom, but I have learned many things that will help anyone become a very wise. He said. Then he said again, he said that I have not found means I could not found what is true wisdom, but I have learned many things that can make anyone very wise. Wise means ज्ञानी. You have failed me, thundered the king. Then king thundered means shouted very loudly. See, here is the meaning of thundered. That king was very become very angry and with shouted voice he told that, you have failed means I have sent you to India to search the true wisdom, but you failed me. तुमने मेरे को हताश कर दिया. Now come to the next page. Okay, and that is 22, second number page. See, Huja thought quickly. Your majesty, I have written down all you need to know about wisdom on this piece of paper. Saying this, he handed the king the folded slip of paper that his mother had given him. Here is saying, in this para is saying that Huja thought quickly. वो जल्द से कुछ सोचा और से that your majesty is a respected word to say in front of king. Okay, I have written means Huja told to the king that, your majesty, जो सारे जितने चीज़ें मैंने इंडिया में सीखा है सब मैंने एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में लिख लिया है. नाउ यू कैन hold it. Okay, so which paper that Huja's mother gave to him, है ना, that there was written in the carrot, so that paper he hand over to the king. The king gathered all the courtiers, means किंग के साथ और भी सारे मिनिस्टर्स और कटियर्स, देशों में बहुत देशों से राजा ये आते हैं ना, तो उन लोगों को गैदर्ड किया, इकट्ठा किया. नासिरुद्दीन हुजा, यू वांट टू सी हाउ दे gathered with each other. See this image. Okay, he is the man, is that king, then it is Nasiruddin or courtiers there are. Okay, now come to the next page. sorry, not next page, before that Nasiruddin Hoja had just returned from the great land of India. He has found out what true wisdom, okay, so is about, and has written it down all on this paper. I will now read it out to you. That king also have taken the piece of paper, and he explained that Nasiruddin Hoja came back from our great land from India, and he has written all the things whatever he learned from there. Now I will read it. Listen carefully so that you too may become wise like him. So when I will read these things, if you listen carefully, you will also become like him. Nasiruddin Huja जैसे आप लोग भी बन सकते हो. Saying this, the king opened the slip of paper. Instantly his face grew red and angry. He looked sharply at Huja. Now after this these things saying, king opened the slip of paper, and वो खुश होने के बजाय his face become red and angry. राजा मीन्स बहुत ही एंग्री, गुस्सा हो गया. he looked sharply at हुजा. अब हुजा की तरफ वो राजा देखने लग गया. after that what happened? I ask you for true wisdom, and you give me a paper with the word carrots on it. If you are trying to make me fool of me, I will have you imprisoned. Hoja explained your son. Raja asked when the king saw the paper written with carrots. He told to the Nasiruddin Hoja that I ask you, मैंने पूछा आपको wisdom क्या है ना, पंडित तो क्या है, and you give me a paper with written carrots. Now you want to make me fool, means तुम मेरे को बोका बनाना चाहते हो. If you will have like this, so I will put you in imprison, means जेल में डाल सकती हो. Okay. Huja smile. After that what happened? After that what happened, we will read it in our next video. Okay, so you read this chapter again and again to try to understand about Nasiruddin Hoja and about the chapter. Thank you very much. Have a good day.